Hey yo, what's up YouTube? I just want to hurry up and let y'all know this is what I think is going on. Like I let y'all know in the last video about what was going on. You see this right here? Look, boom, 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 boom. Yeah, so that's what I'm expecting. The shoulder, the neckline, it's gonna come up just a little bit right now, and then it's gonna come down and form another shoulder. We got our head right there, and a reversal. That's what I'm thinking what's going on. That's what I'm based off what's going on. Yes, this is. Oh, that's Dent. I'm gonna look at Bitcoin. Thought it was like that one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. That was Dent. Sorry about that. But yeah, Dent's forming the head and shoulders that I need. Motherfucker just wiped out 100% of my motherfucking shit. So better bring my shit back, man. But yeah, let's see. Maybe. Uh. Okay. Look. If we want to say, because I've seen it in a video, I've been studying a lot, you know what I'm saying? But you see right here is a shoulder. Right here is a shoulder. There's the neckline, which connects to the top of the shoulder. Also, this could even be, nah, that's the retest. That's the retest right there. All right, so to the moon, baby. Here we go. Let's go. Y'all ready for the moonshot? Into outer space we go. Hopefully. Let's see what we got over here on Ethereum since I got y'all here. I'm looking at this stuff anyway, and it looks like we're gonna come back all the way. Well, no, look. Right here, we double bottomed. Because I was gonna say we'd probably come all the way back down to 34, 33.9. That'd be the worst case scenario. Not the worst case scenario. That'd be the best case scenario. Let's put it that way. Let me clear this up. All right, yeah, you see that too? Perfect. So even if we did come down on Ethereum, it would be all right because we got this M, which usually when it's W, I say it's win. So it's like goes like that and then keeps going. So we got an M, which would be the opposite almost. So I would expect this to probably keep going to about 33.9, about there. It hit the 200 EMA on the money. Telling you, if it's gonna go down, it's gonna hit that on the money. And then if we're gonna come back up, it'll come something like this. You know what? It's gonna just keep coming down and then reverse. It's gonna do a little retest right here and then go. You know? Yeah, that's what I got for that. So you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna upload this so y'all could, use it to y'all's advantage. I hope y'all watch the video. I hope if you're watching the video, you like and subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Follow and like. You know what I'm saying? I love y'all. Y'all take care.